When we bought the house, we loved the house with the downstairs space, but we knew we wanted a bit more. By going for this modular sunroom, we wanted something that looked like it was in keeping with the original house, but also allowed us to zone a seating area out in the garden, maintain an area of lawn, more of a utility space on the other side of the building. We actually engaged with C.R. Smith following one of their sales stalls in B&Q. What was really key for us was the finances packages that they offered, because we weren't in a position to pay off immediately. The other thing we really liked about the C.R. Smith model was it is a turnkey solution. So they manage everything from the point of sale right through to your completed sunroom, including the decoration, which was great for us. We also knew it was a really good level of construction. It's a steel frame, as opposed to a lot of the other companies that we had give us quotes were timber frame. It's just a really good quality. All the windows are good quality. The build is exceptional. We actually had our sunroom finished in about 8 to 10 weeks. So it was probably one of the fastest builds I've ever seen. So the salesman gave us, I think, 4 or 5 different 3D visual options for us to look at. So he gave us them on great big, I think they were A2 booklets, which was really good because it's a good size and you can sit and appreciate it. And we went and sat in that corner of the garden and literally held them up to see what it would look like. But they took a lot of time to make sure the interior view of where sofas and TVs and fireplaces and things were matched what our vision was. And that then allows you to visualise it a lot better and make decisions then on where the windows need to be and how much glass you want. The tradesmen who came in were really good. The one thing that I noticed about everybody was how respectful they were, how they spoke, their language on site, their courtesy. So they kept us up to date at every point. It was meticulously clean. And even the decorator, who was the final person in, stayed late to finish it on a Friday. I think they were an absolute cut above what I would expect in the trade. So we've not even had it up 12 months yet. I definitely spend 80 to 90% of my time in here. It's a really versatile room. We had it as now set up as a lounge. We had it previously when we first got it set up as more of a snug for watching the TV, but actually found we were sitting here all the time. We've also had it set up as a formal dining space. But yeah, it's strange because before we had it, I wasn't sure how much we'd use it, and now I'm never out of here. So this design gave us complete flexibility. In the winter, it's really nice and warm when the light's low. But again, in the summer, it is almost like a conservatory because it's got the sun going all the way around it. So this one gives us great versatility, and it makes the best use of both the house and the outside plot.